All right, unboxing to setup. I bet this takes no time at all. I bet you plug it in and get internet. Let's see what we got. Standard zip pull. Alrighty. Easy packaging. Man, the first gen of these were massive in comparison to how small form factor this is now. It's incredible. Let's see, there's another one on the other side. Alrighty. And then finally, the third side. I'm doing this with one hand. Alright. Flip it up. And you've got your nice pictures here of just like, okay, plug it in, put it down, plug it in, point it up. Open the app, connect, internet, basically. All right, so pop out here. Oh man, look how tiny that bad boy is. This little flat bin thing was the best invention. No poles, no actuators. I mean, it doesn't get much slicker and convenient than that. I presume a pole mount, possibly. I noticed there's literally no paper in here other than here, yeah, I believe pole mount. Charging block. The only gripe I have with the charging is it's not a USB-C standard. It's a barrel plug, which I did get a barrel to USB-C adapter so I can plug it into my battery pack. But I don't know why they opted to do, I think it's like a 5mm barrel. And then your cable. Regulatory notices that nobody cares about. All right, well, let's take this cable off here. Got some nice little Velcro straps. Pop those down. I'll plug this into the bottom, the barrel connector here. Again, could have used USB-C. Don't know why barrel connector, but whatever. Plug this guy into the power. Plug in, all one-handed, mind you. Alrighty, and then we shall plug Dishy in here. I'm gonna go up into the cable cord and pop it in. Alright, and let's put it to the star. We're in 3 minutes in, and most of that was me talking, and it's already I've got the little LED light already indicating that it's powered. We'll stick it out in the yard here. All right, and let's connect. Haha, calculating orientation. Probably should move it a little bit to where there's a lot of obstructions here, but let's see what happens. All right, online, downloading an update. I mean, that was less than a couple minutes. Let's see what this misalign means. Turn Starlink to match. Oh, okay, that's cool. I'm gonna just pretend that doesn't exist. And it's misaligned by 6 degrees. I don't think it matters. I don't think it's gonna matter. Let's do a speed test. I mean, yeah, look at that. I mean, that's pretty damn good. And I mean, it's out in the yard in the grass. So I'm impressed. Less than 5 minutes and we're online. Bravo. Bravo.